All right, last week we created a program to make the onboard LED blink on your Arduino. Now we want to alternate the blinking between two different LEDs, and we'd like to use an LED that is not on board. We have to use one that's not on board. So I pulled up the blink program here in my Arduino program, and I'm going to make a few changes to that. The first thing that I want to do is ahead of the void setup, I'm going to make a couple of constant callouts. We want to get used to doing this. So I'm going to say constant int. I'm going to say I'm going to have two variables, LED A, I'm going to do lowercase a. They're not variables, they're constants. And I'm going to have this one be set to 13 and constant integer, and I'm going to have this one be LED B and have that one be equal to 2. So what I'm actually doing here is I'm saving those values 13 and 2 into those constants, and I'm going to replace those because when I do my pin mode, what I'm actually doing is saying, hey, I want pin 13 or I want LED A to be an output, which is pin 13. I want pin mode of LED B to be an output. That allows you to use more natural language as you go through and write your programs. So here, down in the actual program, I would like to digital write LED A high. It's going to turn that on. And for the same amount of time that I turn that on, I want to digital write LED B, if I spell it correctly, and have that one be set to low, so that while LED A is on, LED B is off. I have a delay in there, and then I can come back in here and add another digital write for LED and B, and this time we're going to have that one be high. Go up and change this one from LED built in to LED A. My delays are set for 100 right now. If I change it to about 1,000, that would be about 1 second. And there you have a program that should be able to take you and alternately blink some lights. So if you follow my mouse over here, you want to hook that up with the Arduino. You will have your USB cable plugged into the USB port. That will be providing your power. The built-in LED is already grounded. It has a resistor essentially built in. That's pin 13. From pin 2, you're going to need to go to the positive leg of your LED and then to your resistor. This is a 220 ohm resistor. Anything between 100 and 330 should be fine. And back to ground. You'll need to take that back to ground on the board itself. You don't necessarily need to power and ground the whole breadboard, but just go back to ground on the Arduino. So you'll need the breadboard just to use for prototyping purposes for adding things, but not necessarily to get your ground or your power from it. So hopefully that'll work for you.